Alright, the GNS S speed meter came in today, along with my Street Fighter tires. So we are going to go out and see how fast this thing is with the 3-cell 5000 45 discharge rate, that's it. And I put the other hubs in so they wouldn't stick out so far. Took a couple of spacers out, so it would sit a little bit lower, and we'll see what it runs. If I can figure out how to work this thing. Well, we did a speed run with these new Speed Hawk, is that what they're called? Street Fighter tires. And we got 47 the first time, 46 this time. So we will try again. This is stock 3S 5000. You can see that in there. 3S 5000 45C discharge rate. Battery, about 5 or 6 poles on it. Other than that, it's stock. It just got shock caps, stock gearing, bigger axles that broke one the first day, and the tires.